Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Misty. In today's video, we're going to do a haul. It's a massive haul. Bought this a while ago and I've been debating what to do with all this. It's one of those like where you're excited and you just start buying things type of day. This is a massive haul. It is 3 boxes full of haul, okay? This haul is from Half Price Books, but it's not the books. It's like that section of like toys, but I got all learning toys. I think what I'm going to do is slowly pull these out one by one and add them into homeschooling activity trays like you see back here. I think that's what we're going to do with it, but I'm not 100% sure. Some of it might go to Christmas too. I think we're going to do the 4 gifts for Christmas, so we'll see. And before we get into this haul, make sure that you hit that subscribe button for more homeschooling content just like this. Usually not hauls, but hauls are included, and the like button lets me know that this is a video you enjoy so I know what to make for you in the future. Let's go ahead and open up these boxes. So before opening up these boxes, I do want to state that most of these were purchased for anywhere from $2 to $5, I think was the range, because it was all clearance out. The very first thing I got was for $5. This was $5 on clearance, and I figured let's get some inside winter games. So it's the tin can tumble. Obviously you can make this yourself and save even the $5. You would just use old cans from food you make, like canned beans, anything like that, and get some little bean bags or make your own little bean bags and create the same game. But I just thought this was a great way to get physical in the house when it starts to get too cold to be outside. But as you can see, all you would do is create the pyramid with the cans and throw the bean bags, and it's a game. Now this one I didn't purchase. My sister and I often shop together, so she purchased this one. She paid $6 for this. So this one here is a 4D chemistry augmented reality science lab. It looks like you'll be doing science experiments, but there will also be some virtual reality involved in this. This retails for a lot more. Before the clearance sale, this was $24 at Half Price Books, so I assume it was either that price or more. Full retail, I do know this is still in stores if you can't find it at your Half Price Books. Go to your Half Price Books and see if you can find any of these deals. It's perfect for Christmas. You can open the inside and this is kind of what it looks like. So you're getting some beakers and some dye kits, magnifying glass, things like that, and augmented reality glasses. Obviously you will need a cell phone to do this with. All right, the next one here that I found is 52 animal words, and it was $4 on clearance. And the original price was, looks like $19.99. And once again, we can open it and look inside. So you're getting these little 2-piece puzzles, perfect for the toddlers that I work with. So yes, 2-piece puzzles with animals with how to spell it, which is great for my oldest. And obviously we can work on fine motor skills here, putting the puzzles together, and also language with pronouncing the animals. And it opens conversation to talk about these animals' lifestyles, their habitats, everything like that. So there's a close-up. And as you can see, these are all brand new so far. I don't know if everything comes brand new, we'll have to see. These are clearly brand new, still in their original packaging and taken care of quite well. All right, this next one is definitely for my oldest kid, and this was $4, and it is Super Stencils. So Super Stencils, obviously it kind of explains what it is, but we can open it up here and you can kind of get a glance at the inside. And by the way, any of these that I can find, I will link down below for you guys. Like I find them on Amazon or anywhere else, but check your Half Price Books to see if you can get them in these prices where you live locally, but like I said, I'll link it for you. But Vivi loves stencils, and so it also comes with obviously like little ink. Can you see that? Turning this way to make it easier. Clearly it comes with some ink, little sponges. Here are some of the different stencils to use, and let's see here. Oh, it looks like instructions. Looks like it gives her instructions on how to use each stencil and how to use the little stamping tools. And this side is just a blank paper. So yes, once again, that was $4 at Half Price Books. This next one, I'm still considering sending it to my best friend just because I feel like she would have the patience more for this. My daughter gets very, very serious about art and she gets really frustrated when she can't do something. And this is a little advanced for her. My best friend's kids are a little more laid back, so this might still go to her. This was $5 and it's Sketching Dinosaurs the Easy Way. So it's a dinosaur sketching kit. Her boys love dinosaurs. Vivi does too, but like I said, this might just go to them. And as you can see, it comes with the pencils, sketching books back there, things like that. So I don't know, we'll have to think about that. This next one, once again, another thing up my 5-year-old's alley. And this can go great with science projects, and that is creating a soap lab. So here's the box. I paid $3 for this. Yeah, it comes with the instructions, the little the molding, where's that soap? I think that's soap at the bottom, but it has like the little molding case and the colors for the soap. So we'll see how that goes. It's another great buy. It says it does come with an activity book, 100% complete scented soap kit and molds. All right, this next one I believe is a board game. $4. It's quite heavy. Comes from Think Fun Robot Turtles, the game for programmers. They always cover the price it was, so I can't even see what it was. But so yes, I think it is a board game, as you can see here, but I think that it has to do with learning the fundamentals of programming. So that could be really interesting. And like I said, that was $4. I'm excited to try this one. All right, the last one in this box is nesting blocks. 1, 2, 3 farm. I specifically kept the farm one and gave my best friend the other one because Savannah's obsessed with farms and farm animals. So I thought this would be a good one for her. But as you can see here, it's just, can you see it? It's just stacking blocks. Hopefully it's in focus, but it's just stacking blocks with farm animals. So that'll be fun. That might actually be one of her Christmas gifts, I'm not sure. All right, on to box 2, and this one is going to be so much fun. And this is going to be part of art probably. It was $2, guys, $2, and it's a balloon modeling kit, still in brand new condition. And we're going to work on making balloon art. How fun will that be? They had a ton of these kits actually. I don't know, guys, if you have a half price books, go there, see if they have anything on clearance because I went nuts. And this is really funny to me because we are now trying to head into like not super minimal, but we are going more minimalism, and I have all this stuff, but it's okay, I'll rotate it out. The next thing is 12 cube fairy tale blocks. So there are 6 different story options for the blocks. So she would have to create the 6 different scenes, as you can see here. And I paid $2 for this. The next one was kind of the only non-learning, though it could still be art. But the next one, I was like, I can't pass this up. My daughter's favorite thing is My Little Pony. This was $3. It was perfect. So it is a My Little Pony Read and Glow. And we'll open it up here. This is what it looks like on the inside. So as you can see over here, it's asking her questions like, can you draw a shooting star? Can you draw a moon? And so it'll give her ideas of what to draw. So this is perfect for art. And then on this side, you have your glowing board that she will draw on. And here are the markers for it. Oh, and it does glow, watch. You see it? It's right in the middle here. You'll see the glow. So awesome. I think she's going to really absolutely love this. Next is this Play Town, Make Your Own Town, Put Vehicles on the Road puzzle playset. This was $3 and it comes with the cars here. And underneath of the cars, as you see, the cars are in this part. And under here are the puzzle pieces to make your road. And they're still brand new, still sealed. That is for my 2-year-old to play with. I thought she would absolutely love this. Yeah, $3 for that one. The next one was a must buy because sometimes I feel like the cost of clay can be so expensive. And I found these 24 color clay sets for $2 a piece. I got 2 of them. I left the other ones alone. There were plenty more, but I slowed down because I know clay can last a while. But these were $2 each. And they have all of those colors. Look at that. So many beautiful colors. So we'll be doing a lot of clay modeling. All right. Apparently I got a lot of art stuff. If you don't know, I love art. Sometimes it's hard to add it into homeschool just because like it's already so busy. Like the idea of cleaning up art mess is a lot, but I really want to get back to doing a lot more art because it's a love of mine. Okay, so this is a watercolor set for young artists and it was $4. This is an amazing little buy. So it's like everything you need for a beginner, and it will open up here. There's everything included. Okay, so on this side, we're getting our pencils and our watercolors, our brushes, a little, one of those the little foam thing. And up here are different directions, if you can see. Up here are different directions on how to use the watercolors. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know it's so bright. And this side is just 30 sheets of paper to do some watercolor fun. Once again, that was $4. And this last item in the box, my 2-year-old is obsessed with Eric Carle type things. So I found this really cool game, and it is the Eric Carle Very Hungry Caterpillar for $3, guys. What's this? Not this, $3. $3, guys. And we know, like, Eric Carle stuff is not exactly cheap, but it is a twirl and toss. I think the point is that on the caterpillar here, it's like a Velcro, and you would throw the hungry items onto the caterpillar is what I'm assuming. Yeah, so you have to be the first to land all 3 pieces of your color. That's really fun. So we can read the Very Hungry Caterpillar and then play this game right after. That sounds like a good time. And once again, $3 for that. All right, on to the last box here. I'm pulling it forward. Now this is the item I'm most excited about because this will work great for both ages, and that is the Play and Learn Brainy Shapes. And I paid $4 for this amazing kit. And so as you can see here, it's going to be about making shapes and letters, numbers, things like that. So the kit comes with shapes and ways to like connect them to make the letters and the numbers. And here are the books. So this is great because it's awesome for my youngest child and the little girl I babysit. You guys, I don't think you know, but I actually kind of homeschool 3 kids. Oh, it's still taped in, so it's brand new. But yeah, so it comes with these books on how to create the letters, and they also go over like, O for orange. Now let's make the O. That is perfect. And then down here, we're talking about shapes. Okay, how can I show you this? Okay, so this one here, as you can see, it's tall, taller, tallest. And let's go to another page and see what it has. Wide, wider, widest. So that's really cool. There's a lot of learning to be done with this kit for $4. Wow. What was the original price? 9 something. I can't see the full price, but originally Half Price Books had it at 9 something. I hope I can link that for you guys down below because that one is really awesome. I bought one for my best friend too. I'm not kidding, guys. These boxes have been sitting for quite some time because I didn't know what to do with them. I was like, are we going to do a massive Christmas? But I don't think I want to. I don't want to overdo it. I don't know. I'm still all over the place. But let's see here. This is the Smart Circuits Logiblocks, and this was $4. It says, amaze your friends and family with a rain detector, a metal detector, a banana bleeper, and more. So it's about learning how circuits work. So that's going to be really fun. And right here it shows the different projects we can do. I don't know if you can see that. The different projects we can do to work on circuits. And it has a little booklet to explain everything too. So that's perfect for my 5-year-old. Next is a set of 3 games I found while I was shopping, and it is the Learning Well brand, and this is a reading comprehension board. It must have been Vivi's age because why else would I get it? I don't know, but so it's a game to work on reading comprehension. You can kind of see the board here. Oh, it is still 100% sealed. This is still brand new, guys. So the point of this game is the student will be able to read a paragraph and answer who, what, when, where questions. Okay, so a little bit above Vivi's age, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I think we could still figure this out. So yes, I'm gonna have to play this, probably me and my husband, to kind of get a good gauge on what age it's for to see when to introduce it to her. It might be now, I don't know. So that was $4 for that game. This game is about predicting outcomes. Once again, another reading comprehension board, the same company, $4 as well. So it uses fortune tellers as the board game. I will let you know that in case that bothers you. But it is about understanding prediction in storytelling. It's about predicting outcome. I'll definitely have to try and do this game. Like I said, I'm gonna test these before I give them to my daughter just to make sure they're on her age level, or her learning level, not her age. And the last one here is The Main Idea, another reading comprehension game, $4 as well, with no directions on the back. I'm assuming it's just about understanding the actual idea of a story, of a storyline. That's what I'm gonna go by the name. Oh, and it does have levels. So these are red level editions. Okay, so I have to look up what red level means, but it says red level edition. So I'll go look up this company and see what that means. But here's what that one looks like. All right, next is this Ready, Sets, Go. Look closely at the cards you get and find the pictures that will make a set. Observation and logical sorting skills. So that's what this is here. It's by Ebu. Never heard that company. $3. So it says like, look closely at the cards you get, find pictures that will make a set. So 3 cards with cats or with balls, hats, food or dogs or wheels or frogs. Most sets found. That's how you win the game. So it's for you to find the most, the things with common interests in order to win the points for those cards. Okay, we're getting down to the wire here. We have 2 more games in here. This one is Dr. Eureka. Ooh, I like the sound. So it says Dr. Eureka, mix the molecules, master the formula. I paid $5 for this one. And it's actually, I got this because it's a pattern game. You must solve his scientific formulas by moving your materials from tube to tube without touching them or with your bare hands. Solve the solution faster than your competition to prove you are the smartest scientist in the lab. So that's what it says. And you can see here some of the beakers with the molecules. So yeah, you'll get cards and you'll have to try to match them by moving only piece by piece. All right, and the last one here is the glow-in-the-dark dinosaurs. And I got one for my best friend and one for my daughter. And so we're going to work on these dinosaurs. It says mold and paint dinosaur fridge magnets. So we're making fridge magnets, and that's what it looks like so far. So that's what it is. We're going to use this to make glow in the dark fridge magnets. And I don't know if I mentioned that was $3. Alright, thank you so much for watching this haul video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it and it gave you any type of entertainment or ideas for things you can buy, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for more content just like this, and subscribe as well so you stay up to date with all the videos going on this homeschooling channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Have fun homeschooling. Bye!